Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So we are back this week with the great state of Arkansas.
Yes, Arkansas, right? The home of the Razorbacks. And a beautiful fact, Charney's mother's side is actually from Arkansas. So you know we're gonna do some visiting, pretty soon once it starts warming up.
Yes, for sure. So the beautiful thing about the mobile home market in the state of Arkansas is that you guys have over 478 mobile home communities across the state.
Yes. And so when you think about affordability, right? Your average rent in your rural areas, you talk about right at that 793 mark. Even your metro areas, you're talking about rent of upwards to 800, close to $900 in the Little Rock area. So, we talk about affordability. Arkansas is a very affordable state, but you guys offering mobile homes is a very, very great affordable option down there in Arkansas.
Yes. Now, the beautiful thing about the state of Arkansas is that you can actually sell up to 3 mobile homes before actually needing that dealer's license.
Yes, and a great resource for you guys. You guys have your Arkansas Manufactured Housing Association, which can be found at amha.net. And you get more information on things like that.
Yes. Now, similar to other states across the border, the title transfer fee, right? So when it comes to mobile homes, it's going to be a title. So in the state of Arkansas, you guys actually have to register your mobile home, right, with the Office of Motor Vehicles. Now, the registration fee is still very affordable. We're talking $26, but that's separate from the actual title fee. But the title fee is $10, right? Talk about affordability.
So let's talk about the hot spots. Like, where are the hot areas in this market?
Yes, so we have Benton at 7 mobile home parks, Conway with 7 mobile home parks. We have Fayetteville with 15 mobile home parks, good opportunity. We have Fort Smith at 7, and also Hot Springs with 22 mobile home communities in that city.
Yes, you have Jacksonville, you got 10 mobile home communities. Jonesboro, you have 9 mobile home communities. Little Rock, you have 11, okay, in your city. North Little Rock, you have 7. So in both of those areas, you have a total of 18 mobile home parks. All right. Mountain Home, you have 9 mobile home communities. Pine Bluff, you have 8 mobile home communities. Russellville, you have 9 mobile home communities. And Springdale, you have 7. So you got plenty of opportunity around your state for mobile home to do business inside of mobile home park communities.
So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.